Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Will the iPhone 18 break the market? 9 rumors that will make 2026 Apple's best year ever. Here are the top 8 rumored upgrades that will change your smartphone experience. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Number 1. Apple may finally ditch Qualcomm. Apple is rumored to be working on the C2 modem, a successor to the C1 modem featured in the iPhone 16e. If this 5G chip debuts in the iPhone 18 series in 2026, it would allow Apple to completely sever ties with Qualcomm. Number 2. Variable aperture in Pro cameras. The iPhone 18 Pro may finally feature a variable aperture in its main camera, and the Pro Max will certainly follow suit. Number 3. The A20 chip is a giant leap to 2 nanometers. Rumor has it that the A20 chip could be Apple's boldest move to date. Built on a 2 nanometer process, it could deliver approximately 15% faster performance, while consuming 30% less power. Number 4. Transparent back panel. Another leak hints at a partially transparent back panel on the iPhone 18 Pro models. The glass window will likely be integrated into the metal frame primarily for aesthetics, but it could also showcase the new vapor chamber cooling system introduced in the iPhone 17 Pro. Number 5. Dynamic island may become thinner. Apple may shrink the dynamic island. A narrower pill-shaped notch is reported, which would free up more space at the top of the screen. Thinner components could make this redesign possible. Number 6. Underscreen Face ID is finally coming. Some leaks claim that the iPhone 18 Pro models will finally hide the Face ID sensors under the screen. This will create a cleaner, bezel-less display, with only the front camera visible. Number 7. Notched front camera for Pro models. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max could ditch the notch entirely, and switch to a simple circular cutout for the selfie camera. The Face ID, ambient light, and proximity sensors will be hidden under the display. Number 8. The camera control button may disappear. The camera control button introduced in the iPhone 16 may disappear. Apple is reportedly considering abandoning it due to low user engagement and high production costs. Number 9. The first foldable iPhone. The fate of the foldable iPhone is still up in the air. Some say it could launch alongside the iPhone 18 Pro in the fall of 2026. Early leaks point to a titanium hinge, a crease-free fold, and a starting price of $2,000. It is expected that the new iPhone 18 line will launch in September next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.